Hi guys, so this week we're going to talk about photosynthesis. So again, when I do PowerPoints, you can go back and freeze it so you can better um, pause and pay attention to certain parts of the PowerPoint. So as we go through photosynthesis, some power words or popular words you're going to hear with photosynthesis is the word photosynthesis, which is a process used by plants to turn that light energy into chemical energy that can be released to fuel the organism's activities. Chloroplast is a plastic that contains chlorophyll. It's where photosynthesis takes place. The word chlorophyll, responsible for absorbing that light to turn that energy into photosynthesis. And the word xylem, it's the tissue in plants that conducts the water and dissolves the nutrients to go up toward that root. Again, you guys can pause the video and practice the definitions. Some other words is epidermis, it's the outer layer of a plant. Transpiration, kind of sounds like respiration, the process where plants absorb water through the roots and give up water vapor through pores in their leaves. Root pressure is within the cells of a root system that causes the water or sap to rise through a plant to the leaves. Capillary action. Plants use this to bring water up the roots and stems to the rest of the plant. Respiration. That's when the plants turn the sugars back into energy in order to grow and get on through their life process. The word photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to put together. So photosynthesis is a process where plants use to make their own food. Most plants can make their own food when they need it by using that light. So if you follow the arrows, this is kind of showing you the process or the order. It gets energy from the sun. And chlorophyll found in the chloroplast absorb that energy to the sun. Then the stomata and the leaf cells take in the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And then the arrow is pointing to the leaf. So this is a fun diagram of showing you the different parts of a plant that you can kind of play around with. And you drag them and see if you're right on labeling that flower structure. Then we're right here. It then releases energy, and the oxygen is released through photosynthesis. At the same time, glucose, which is a type of sugar, is being produced and used, made in that second phase of photosynthesis. So follow the arrows is showing you that process of photosynthesis. And here's our basic flower structure that you can click on the parts of the basic flower to kind of learn what part of that specific plant or flower, the name of it, and what it does. Pretty cool. So you just kind of click, learn the different parts. And I will send this to you guys so you can maneuver around and navigate through it on your own. Parts of a leaf here is showing you all the different parts. And the arrows are indicating the direction the energy is going. So how water moves through these plants are three different processes: root pressure, capillary action, and behind is the definition, and transpiration. So again, you can pause and pay attention to the different definitions as well.